Hello guys, welcome to the new video on the animal on top. Today we're going to talk about the 10 interesting facts about newborn kittens. From the moment they are born, kittens need a social life and grow up with cats. Here are 10 interesting facts about newborn kittens that you definitely don't know all of them. So if you have a pet cat, knowing these tips can be useful for you, and also for those who don't have a cat, they may have one someday. So till the end of this video, stay with us. Don't forget guys, subscribe and like the video and share it with your friend. Also you can activate the bell and it's notice you when we uploaded a new video. Okay, their weight at birth is between 85 and 120 grams. The veterinary director of the VCA hospital in Philadelphia says kittens gain about 120 grams of weight every week, and this means that by the age of 4 weeks they should gain about half a kilogram. He also believes that kittens should gain half a kilogram of weight per month until the age of 6 months. Breast milk to strengthen the immune system. For the first 24 to 48 hours after birth, kittens are fed the queen's milk, which is rich in potential disease-fighting antibodies. Without mother's milk, kittens will not have a healthy immune system and are more susceptible to infection. They cannot regulate their body temperature. For the first 2 to 4 weeks of life, kittens need a heat source, such as a warm pet bed. According to VCA, the ideal temperature for newborn kittens is 32.2 degrees Celsius and 55.65% humidity. If a heat source is used in order to prevent the body temperature of the kittens from increasing, they must have enough space to crawl. They are born blind and deaf. Kittens are born with closed eyes and closed ear canals. Their eyes open about 7 to 14 days after birth and the ear canals open 10 to 14 days later. All kittens are born with blue eyes. Before 8 weeks, the true color of the iris appears. They should eat every 2 to 3 hours. Kittens who don't eat enough food have low blood sugar, which is life-threatening. Hypoglycemia is a major concern for kittens, especially if they've also lost their mother. If you bottle feed your kittens, they should sleep on their stomachs, not their backs, to simulate a breastfeeding position and reduce the risk of aspiration. Around 3 to 4 weeks old, kittens start eating solid food. In this time of the video, if you did know something about these points and another points that you know, you can post it in the comments and we can talk about it. And if you like, we can make another video that you want to more help for caring of your pets. And don't forget, like the video by the way. They cannot go to the bathroom alone. Kittens must be stimulated to defecate. In the wild, this is done by the queen cat by licking the kitten's back. If there is no queen, you can gently stimulate this part of the kitten's body with a warm, wet cotton. The kitten's teeth start to appear around the age of 3 weeks. The root of the milk tooth of kittens starts sprouting at about 3 weeks old. At 14 weeks, kittens lose the baby teeth. Teeth fall starts from the front teeth. At about 6 months, kittens will have all their permanent teeth. They start playing at 4 weeks old. The kittens should be able to stand up to 10 days old and walk on the 21st day. Around 4 weeks old, the kittens will show their mischievousness and play, which we all like very much. Kittens usually learn their behavior between 4 and 7 weeks of age. For example, if a kitten plays rough with its siblings, they will quickly learn the behavior and show feedback. They are prone to anemia caused by flea bites. Flea infestation can cause severe anemia in kittens. Since most flea and ticks medications are not safe for kittens under 8 weeks of age, we recommended bathing kids using a mild soap. And finally, kittens can be weaned at around 8 weeks of age. Mothers' cats can have a good way to wean their babies. They politely ask their baby to move away from the mother. But during the first 8 weeks of life, it is best for the kittens to stay with its mother and siblings to learn how to socialize. If a kitten is separated from its mother too soon, it will lose most important aspects of social skills. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a best time. Actually, we hope this video can be effective in raising your kitten. I love you guys. Will you see you soon? Goodbye.